Blanca, look up and say cheese.
Here, Blanca.
I'm busy. You get out of here.
Yeah. Fine weather to have babies, didn't they?
You get out of here.
They've been doing it out there in the rainstorm.
How's your house doing? The udders?
It's the biggest lump under there opened up and it's draining. So, the cat is gaining weight, so she said, "Let people out here when I'm having my babies. I want to have privacy." Mama says. Oh, she's almost there. Almost there. Maybe. Come. The other foot was up. Oh. Sorry, baby. Oh, you little baby. Here comes the other foot. Well, I got about 30-something running around here now.
Is that a back foot or a front foot?
He's got his eyes open. Oh. Yeah. He had his eyes open like, what is going on? Look at all the blood it was inside with this one. Oh.
That other one had such a thick one. Oh, Richard, it says hi.
This one just pooped too.
Blood everywhere, yeah. Let's go over here.
I think it was cord,
Broken. What, we ready?
kind of short. Might have broke it trying to get that one shoved back. Seems to be breathing though. Yeah, I think I broke his cord on that first one. See, that's what I'm worried about.
Oh, look.
You're wet.
Oh. Hi.
You're all wet still.
Baby boy? Girl? Can't tell.
Boy.
That was the boy.
Yeah.
Look, Mom. Holding it. It's a little wet.
You're empty,
Yeah,
girl.
it's still wet. Real wet.
Little boy.
Oh, maybe only two. Now she said two. She thought she felt two more in here.
No, I think she's empty.
Hopefully.
She's still low.
I'm gonna go start all clear out that, Richard.
Get down here with your mommy.
See, this one was in there.
Oh, he fell in a hole.
He stopped bleeding now, but he's been bleeding in his sack, so he must have broke the cord.
Another boy?
Yes.
So she had two boys. Oh, she had two boys.
Yeah, he stopped bleeding. Okay.
About 4 boys today and 1 girl.
That was looking for a place to nurse already. 4 boys and 1 girl. She had 5 babies
Got a
today?
little head button on her
First
neck.
one's a boy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So she looks kind of big for only having 2, but I don't know.